Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered why asparagus should be your new favorite superfood? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to uncover some surprising health benefits of this super veggie. Let's dive in. First things first, asparagus is packed with nutrients. Just 1 cup of cooked asparagus contains only 40 calories, but it's loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate. Plus, it's a good source of fiber. So if you're looking to add more greens to your diet without sacrificing flavor, asparagus is a fantastic choice. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Asparagus is rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, and glutathione. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. Basically, eating asparagus is like giving your body a mini shield against harmful invaders. Super cool, right? But wait, there's more. Asparagus is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in your body, which is linked to a variety of health issues like heart disease and diabetes. So, munching on some asparagus could be a delicious way to keep inflammation at bay. And if you're looking to boost your digestive health, asparagus has got you covered. It's high in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your gut and can prevent constipation. Plus, asparagus contains a unique type of carbohydrate called inulin, which acts as a prebiotic. This means it promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut, aiding in better digestion and overall gut health. Now let's not forget about your heart. Asparagus is a heart-healthy vegetable. It's rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and it has low levels of sodium. Also, those anti-inflammatory properties we mentioned earlier, they're great for keeping your blood vessels healthy and reducing the risk of heart disease. So eating asparagus is like giving your heart a little hug. Lastly, asparagus may even help with weight loss. It's low in calories and high in water content, which makes you feel full without adding extra calories to your diet. Plus, the fiber content helps you stay satisfied longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. So if you're on a weight loss journey, asparagus can be a tasty and nutritious addition to your meals. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Now you know why asparagus deserves a spot on your plate. From its nutrient-packed profile to its amazing health benefits, this super veggie is definitely one to keep in your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.